At the end of the video, there is a great gift for everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the main event of the RC world. Today we're comparing HOSIN's M13 and X07W. We prepared 3 test programs, a speed test, a grass performance test, and an obstacle avoidance test. Which one is the king of performance for you? Locking your bait spokes fist is about to get loud. The first test was a speed test to see who would be faster on the same field and over the same distance. The first player out on stage is M13. Let's see what he can do. The launch was quite fast, and he settled for 53 miles per hour. The second player out is X07W. When can he beat M13's speed? Let's wait and see. Startup is pretty quick, too. 43 miles per hour, slightly less than the M13. The X07W utilizes a 2852 brushless motor, and the X13 has a 2847 brushless motor. Both have their advantages. Here's the lawn performance test to see which one can handle it better this time around. The 2 RC cars started at the same time, splashing a lot of weeds. You can see that both cars have quite a lot of horsepower and very strong grip. The tires on the X07W are new upgraded rubber tires. The M13, on the other hand, is a tire with a new tread design. From a practical point of view, the grip of both tires is very strong. These tires eat bumps for breakfast, smoother rides, zero drama. Aggressive tread pattern equals superior durability plus sustained traction. The last test, obstacle avoidance test. Wow, what happened? Start over. The steering is so smooth and fluid, it's just the way it should be. Let's see how the M13 performs. That's a lot of torque and steering in place. Let's go back to X07W. Wow! The X07W uses a 6-kilogram servo, so you don't have to worry about bumping into obstacles if you handle it properly. The M13 uses 3-kilogram servos, which are slightly less powerful than the X07W, but the performance pulls out all the stops. Next, let's take a look at the powerful performance of these 2 cars in the real world. The winner is, you decide. We'll draw one lucky winner in the comments section to give away a set of Hosin gifts. Drop your pick in the comments. Winner announced next Friday. May the RC gods be with you.